Hi everybody and welcome. In addition to individual companies which so many of you associate OurCrowd with, and rightly so, we also do funds. Funds provide our investors a unique ability to access multiple companies through one platform, working with professional managers and really really choosing the areas they want to invest in, and all with the same economics as if you had invested directly in the fund yourself. The benefit is not only to our huge investor base here, it's also to the fund managers themselves. Because without what we've really created here is a huge universe of subscribers and of ability to connect between them. That is something which is really unique and not available to current fund managers. So through our portfolio and corporate services, we really provide a lot of value add to our portfolio companies. Not only that, OurCrowd has demonstrated our ability to continue to support companies throughout their life through follow-on investments and being there when they need capital. As far as the way we view our funds, we break them into 4 segments. Stages, providing investors an ability to get into early stage companies, be it seed, later stage, growth stage, and even through an accelerator called Radical. Sectors, we aim to provide you access to the hottest and most sought after sectors investors are looking for. For example, cognitive, with focusing on artificial intelligence, Cure, one of the leading and early stage funds providing digital healthcare, Maniv, mobility, and today we'll be announcing Lead or Advantage, which is a partnership with Lead, which is in the legacy of Adi Dassler. It'll be our sports tech fund, which you'll be hearing about in a few minutes. Geographies, we're not only Israel, we're giving investors an ability to tap into funds across the globe, be it in China with Hentec, Cardamom, Spain, and all the way to Australia with our innovation fund. Strategies. With the pure numbers which you see OurCrowd achieving today of having over 145 portfolio companies, we're able to provide unique products such as OurC OC50, an ability to invest in the next 50 investments in OurCrowd, or a number of other strategies around our portfolio. So with that, I'll talk about a few funds that are actually on our site right now. Ox, Richard Anton and Mike Johnson, growth stage software, not only in Israel, but also across Europe. These fund managers are seasoned veterans coming out of Amadeus London, have a fantastic track record, and broke away recently to create their own fund, Ox, which is targeting 120 million. In addition to their fantastic track record, I'll just highlight a few. Forescout, for example, is an Israeli company, went public on the stock exchange recently and is trading at a 1.2 billion valuation. The company is in cybersecurity. Another fund, as I mentioned earlier, Cure, is Israel's first digital healthcare fund. Here, investors have an ability to tap into a really new trend, which is quite significant and changing all of our lives. Yossi Bargon, Dr. Yossi Bargon and Alan Kamer, both veterans, have significant experience in this sector. And again, this size fund will be 50 million, and it's on our platform today. Just further expanding, when I said our ability to provide you OC50 for a minimum of 50,000 enables investors to be able to have a portion of our next 50 investments. We think this is quite unique, and there's many other strategies we are able to put together because of our pure size. So with that, I'd like to invite Mr. Avi Reichenthal, who is our general partner in Cognitive. Avi has a very significant track record. He was CEO, president, and director of 3D Systems, which is one of the pioneers in 3D printing. Today, he's also chairman of Technoplus and Nano Dimensions. With that, I'd like to hand over to Avi. Thank you.